up soon. I'm fucking scared.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be ladies and gentlemen and turn around. I guess Cameron doesn't want to.
Cameron started.
This isn't gonna work.
Hey, you get back here.
Is the worst birthday party.
This is instantly going out.
Okay, that's fine. It's okay, we have post-production. Okay, there's ants all in my cake.
Caleb, what song are we even doing?
Caramel macaroon, blueberry chardonnay. I'll do the intro first.
Blueberry Chardonnay, what the hell does that even mean?
Here we go. Back up. Get behind me. We have to,
You never said that. You literally never said that.
Tell the camera your darkest secret.
I don't know if I've ever been in love. Here we go. 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 I don't know. I forget. Hello. That was fucking creepy.
What is the first?
Hello. Step. Hit. Step. Hit.
What's up that? What's the first move?
This is-
What's the first move? I mean What's the first move? What's the first move? What's the best move?
What's the first move?
What is the first move? What's the first move? What's the first move?
3,
I don't know.
2.
What's the first move? What's the first move? Real quick. What's the first move? Oh, that's why I saw a bug go in your mouth.
Hope you guys. 3, 2, 1. Hope you guys. 3, 2, 1. Hope you feel like a boss bitch after watching this video. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Big arm step it out in.
Hold on, I'm so sorry. I wanna go home. Don't do that. Please don't do that.
Do you guys want to start sitting and then walk into place?
No.
What's up, booties? We are
No, redo it.
tornado. Make it bigger party. Oh no!
I'll still eat it.
Stop doing that. Oh my god.
They all fell.
Well, because you're looking at it, but you're holding the mouth upside down.
I eat those.
You're f***ing welcome for that, bitch.
You're gone. I've never seen a more tense human.
Is your phone in your pocket? Can you take it out of your pocket?
Yeah, for sure I can take it out of my pocket, man. Allison was just on an episode, so you can check that out.
I'm always like,
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, Cameron, you were way too far out last time.
But now you're gonna hit me.
Here we go. I don't want to do this.
I don't either.
I'm embarrassed.
I feel weird today, yeah, I don't like it. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it.
Testing once. We're happy. We're in the ice cream truck.
Yeah.
All right, 3 minutes. Everyone's gonna love this. I'm in the mood for something sweet. Let's make an ice cream sundae. I hope you're ready to sweat.
I'm really sorry that I was not ready.
Yeah, no, I was staring at you like an idiot.
I know I was too. I didn't. Okay. Jazz hands.
What's the song called? My heart, my head, my king, my crown.
Heart will look like gymnast.
Like I'm posing for a dance. Okay.
No, fuck. This is stupid. This is. Good
It's
as
really
hell.
dumb. You got this.
Literally.
Come on.
Literally.
Come on!
Literally, I hate this so much.
I'm a little chilly. It's not perfectly splendid.
Why are you laughing, Cameron?
Your fucking tongue. Your fucking tongue.
And you spit.
Alright.
Oh my
I
god!
hope you enjoyed
Oh my
this video.
god! I just saw my laugh flash before my eyes!
Ah! Help me, help me, help me. These pants are gonna rip, these pants are gonna rip, these pants are gonna rip.
No.
So no. Stop touching. We can go out and you can do both.
What are you doing?
One.
This. God, my hands are ugly!
Speeding.
Speeding, alright.
All right.
Alright. Okay.
Translate, I hope you liked this video to Spanish.
Don't.
Espero que te gustara este video. Espero que te gustara este video. Espero que te gustara esta... Espero que
Espero que.
So if you like this video, you can click right here for 60-minute weekly sweat sessions. We do them every single week with you guys. That's why I said weekly. F***ing duh. I love this song.
Fucking weird.
I love that song.
I love that song.
We have
And life is good.
I follow you. Wrong. I'm trying to do it.
Should we all start like together?
No, we're done like that.
All right.
I'm hungry.
Hello.
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 Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3.
How long is
Testing
this
1,
song?
2, 3.
Alright, yeah.
This is not my passion.
You upset me.
You upset me. All of you guys upset me.
Haley.
Shut up.
Okay, honestly though, we need to bring a fucking citronella candle.
3.
Things about you I know I don't like.
I'm being attacked.
Last one.
What?
So, the earth is gonna crash down and crush me. I already did a test. I just didn't want to tell you.
Time to do it in fucking screen and go home.
Hey, can we put like a towel on the equipment?
No,
list?
next time we're definitely bringing like lawn chairs.
For
Shh,
two.
Caleb, we're recording. We're wasting tape.
I'm not. What do you think I'm doing? Standing here for fun?
Yes.
I feel like you always are standing somewhere for fun. Or walking in a circle for fun.
My concealer's in my eye.
It's the concealer that's gone all the way down to your chin that really gets me.
According
So-
to child labor laws, I've been working too long today. Come on.
yeah, where's hair and makeup?
This shirt always comes up and it's like a crop top.
I love that for you.
Strange planet.
Do it again. I hate myself.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the official music video, click right here. And if you want to. Thanks for.
Alright, just take a second.
Deep in, out through your mouth, out through, in through your nose, out through your mouth.
In the rain swirl. Maybe like we all can do like random poses or something, or to be like extraterrestrial and sexy.
Pose like an alien. I need direction.
Oh God, I don't. Alright. You're gonna have to do it.
Caleb.
It is.
Can we wait like 2 minutes?
We don't have 2 minutes.
There are 2 rows right there. Don't worry.
Do we have to join? No. Did you bop Ma?
I did.
So annoyed. Thank you, kind strangers. Hey bro, you wanna go to the beach? Let's kick it.
What? Like
Your
the
entire spray
separation.
tan is on your jacket right now.
Okay. So, let's go. Wipe. I want you to wipe those cameras. Oh, round. Yes.
Caleb.
Did I mess up again?
Yeah.
It's working. Tick. 6. Okay.
Down. MOB, I see down. Better tap in. Up. Nice and good. Down. On good. Waist on.
Up.
You're the wrong way.
We go this way.
Is it this way first?
Yeah.
It's this way first. We've been going left first.
Since when the f have we been going left first?
We've been going left.
We're so excited to be here. We're so excited to be here.
I need to be out.
Out of the band.
Yeah, I'm too ugly for the band. I'm bringing everyone down.
We're excited. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't that
First of all,
big
you're
in it.
covering my shot.
Oh.
Last time I ran into this.
I can't fucking see. Okay, work.
No, wait, one more. Don't wait.
Ole!